Hey guys, we received this Kingston Ironkey Locker Plus 50. It's a 128GB encrypted USB flash drive for test and try. So this is a USB 3.2 Gen 1 XTS-AES protection with the multiple password security options. So you can see my first impression is a very nice iron key. It's a really metal key, and you can see like the sensor or the LED light that will sense, and this whole iron key is actually the metal, so feels really premium. And the touch with this Kingston logo is looks really nice and premium. So my impression for this flash drive looks are really good. And then let's see its use. So this is the window PC, and then when I just click on it, it shows on the drive with my PC. So ironkey.exe is the app that will run on the Windows. So I just double click on it, and then it shows me this language selection and everything. So just go next, and the license and stuff. You have to set up your password, and of course you can set up a phrase or whatever you want. Once this is all set up, you can again just take it out and put it back. So this will ask you about this, and the good thing is that this also have a cloud backup. I will show you that a little later on. So see, like it asking for the password. Once you enter into the password, this opens up. So this also have this cloud stuff, where you can store directly to the cloud whenever anything is saved. So the speed is fast for the copying the things, and then once this is all copied, you can store it and just take out the flash drive or the iron key. You can also set the admin password, and then you can easily use it running with this cloud services. So this also works good with the MacBook. So this is my MacBook, and I'm just putting in this flash drive or the iron key, and you can see that on the top corner this asks me for running this app or the install thing. So I will run this Mac app, and it will ask me the same thing like the password and everything. So I will just give in the password, and it will start working and opening up. So this is good, like as this is actually working for both Windows and Mac, and this really finds good with the high speed transfer rate of the files, as you can see it here, and then everything is provided. So you can see the transfer speed of the GB files, and this goes really fast in here. So it's a great transfer speed, very nice looking, good encryption, admin password. You can have multiple password support, and the user thing in here, and setup stuff. Very nice iron key.